Welcome to Top 10 Chemistry Academy. This afternoon, I'm guiding you on some things that you use during practical exams while writing your chemistry practical exams. The exam is at the corner, and these are the guides you have to follow during the practical exams. The first thing you have to do is to read your instruction very well during the examination period. Don't believe you know all the things there already, and follow your teacher's instruction to enhance you in having good grades. The things you have to know during titrations, there are some figures you must understand while answering your questions. During titration, two concordant titer values hands you marks, and these values must not be above 0. Plus or minus 0.15. That one will have you a very good mark. But when you have 0.2 centimeter cube plus or minus, the mark is reduced to another one. Coming down to 0.4, you have lower marks. But when you have 0.5, you don't have a mark at all. That is why you must be careful. When your teachers are guiding you on practicals, please follow their instructions. Make sure you write in pencil and biro or in your pen. When you have a pen, make use of them. Don't convert your pencil to biro. All this will not hand you mark. Don't write in pencil at all during practical exam. Make sure you write in biro. Make sure you always write correct unit. Correct unit hands you mark during chemistry practical exam. Consistent reading breath to 1 decimal place. You cannot be reading your breath to 1 decimal place. When, for example, you want to read your breath now, let's say the initial value you wrote 0.00. Don't make it 0.0. Make sure it's always in 2 decimal places to earn mark. Another thing you should know, inconsistently reading breath on a decimal place. For example, first one you wrote is 0.1. The other one, you now write is 0.001. You are not consistent. It's telling you inconsistent breath reading. Your arithmetic error, please be cognizant with your calculations. If you can't do it offhand, make use of your calculator and calculate well to have a correct answer. During titration, you have your alkali, you have your acid. You pour your alkali into the burette, your acid into the burette, not the alkaline. Don't pour alkaline into your burette, and you pipette the base or the alkaline. Please take note of those things. They are so important during chemistry practical. Putting down titer value without showing how they were arrived at. You just have a titer value. The first you wrote just any figure, the titer value. You don't have the final burette reading, the initial burette reading. You don't separate them from each other. You were just giving your final burette reading. You cannot have a mark. Please remember to have initial burette reading. Initially, you start that your reading from the place. Maybe you fill the burette to 50 centimeter cube, and you read from that place. When you fill it, that means your reading will start from 0.00, not from another point that now you now read it to 24 point something, and you are writing 24 point something without writing the initial. That one will not earn you any mark. Deliberate alteration of titer value to agree with teacher's titer value. Let's say, for example, you find about your teacher's titer value some in the examination hall, and you have written something, another value, like your teacher had 24.5, before, when you were doing your own, you've written 25.00, and someone now said, our teacher's total value is so. Immediately you now alter it. When you alter, you don't have a mark. Your mark will be deducted. Please make sure you follow the thing you are writing. Don't alter during your reading. Cancellation of title value. You've written one, you cancel it and you write another one. We not hand you good mark. Your mark will be deducted. Please make sure you concentrate on what you are doing. Make sure you are having a table, not A and cross it A and write another one as B. No. Make sure that value is concordant. Make sure you always record volume of acid use. Your volume of acid use is so important during chemistry titration. Thanks for listening. The other thing I will take you next will be about quantitative analysis, the way you answer your questions during quantitative analysis. Remember to press your notification button, share, like, and subscribe to Top 10 Chemistry Academy.